Hi everyone, John Cottrell here of MBODY Yoga, and I want to introduce to you my 52-week digital gratitude journal. So if you're new to digital planning, be sure to watch my video on how to use digital yoga class journal. There's a link in the description. So in this video, I'll show you the features of this digital gratitude journal, how I use it on a daily basis, and how to download it. If you like what you see so far, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel. Not only will you view my digital planning playlist, but also you can take my 60-minute power yoga and soft flow yoga classes. All right, let's get started. First of all, to use this journal, you will need the following: the Goodnotes 5 app, an iPad, now I'm using an iPad Pro, an Apple Pencil, and I have the second generation iPad Pencil here, actually Apple Pencil, and that's it. So here's how you can download the 52-week digital gratitude journal. You can go to my website, johncottrell.com, and once you've purchased it, be sure to download it to a folder or an area on your iPad or computer where you can easily access it. All right, now mine is in Files, right here. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and download it or share it and open it in Goodnotes. So here's my Goodnotes app right there. I'm going to import it as a new document. And it should open right up. I just have this gray cover, but you can always change this. And now you can start working. Let me just swipe through and you can see it's just an empty journal. Just like this. But here's what's kind of special about it. Each page is basically the same. It gives you 7 spots where you can just do your journaling, just a little box where you can probably write the date. And I'll show you what the hyperlinks will do. So over here I've got 1 through 52. So of course that's the 52 weeks of the year. And if you just tap those, it'll just take you to each week. Those are all hyperlinked. So for example, so right now I'm in editing mode. I need to go to read mode by pressing that up there. And I can just tap 1 and it'll take me to the first one. I have nothing written there at the moment. And so as you start to fill up your journal and you want to go back, you can just tap that week and go right back to that week. This button here, it actually links all the way back to actually this first page. And you can do anything right here. So what I did on mine was actually create a vision board. And so you can even write or type vision board right there. So on each page, you can link right back to that vision board page. And that's it. Let's go back to the very first page, which of course is just a cover, and you can certainly change that. Let's go to the second page. It says, this journal belongs to, and there's just a line, and you can certainly just write your name or type your name. So you've got that line. Let me just show you something here. Let's go to editing mode. So you can start writing. I'm just going to choose a pen size, and I'm just going to put my name. Now that looks all well and good, but you can certainly make this more fun. So I'm going to tap my pencil twice, pulls up the eraser, so I can just erase my name. Let's say I want to type my name there in a cool font. Let's go to the text mode there, tap where you want to place your text. Down here I need to change this to my keyboard, and let's just type my name. Right now it's a little too small, so let's go ahead and double tap that to highlight. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Highlight my name. Let's choose a font. I've been downloading some fun fonts. Let's just choose this one for now. Make that a little bit bigger. Still a little bit too small. Make it much bigger. Right there. There. Just want to move this right about here. Now I still have that line. Let's say I don't want that line anymore. Here's a cool trick. Tap your loop button. Just circle anywhere on this blank screen, tap within that circle and it says take screenshot. Tap that. I don't know if you can see this, but it's just a white box. I'm going to click the share button. Scroll down a little bit here, choose copy, and it just copies that little box. Now, use my finger again, press and hold, paste, and I get this box. Then I can just size it right over that line. Right there, and it disappears. Now you can do that with just about anything. You can even change this right here. This journal belongs to, and you can type or write anything you want there. So that's how you can start to customize your own digital gratitude journal. Alrighty, so here's a vision board. So let's say you want to purchase a new car. So you can go online somewhere, find a cool picture of a car, and then just put it on your vision board. Here's week 1. Now what's cool about this, because these aren't filled in, you can start any time of the year. So you don't have to start on January 1st. Maybe it's October 3rd and it's a Thursday and you can start your journal then. So that'd be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you can start any time and then just go from there. So how do I start writing things in? So let's say I want to start typing the date. Let's go ahead and use the text function, tap in this box. Let's go get that keyboard. And I'm just going to say it's Monday, August 16. I'm going to move that because I'm actually going to change this font by double tapping that. Choose my font. I'm just going to keep it pretty simple. And then I can move it. Oops, I'm going to use my finger, I think. There we go. And move it into that box. Still a little too big, I think. We're just going to resize it just a tad. Tapping the size, using that minus just to make it a little bit smaller. Unhighlight it just by tapping the screen. Tap it again so I can just easily move it. Oops, actually duplicated it by accident there. There we go. Right there. And there's Monday. Then I can start writing. Let's go to my pen function. I'm going to be writing in black. I'm going to use a thinner pen size there and start writing. Grateful for good health. And that's it. So you can write, you can even use that text function and type in here and type as many things as you want or write as many things as you want. And you can see I'm just using that pinching mode just to make the screen bigger and smaller. Let me show you my actual gratitude journal. Mine is here, and you can see all the different things that I've done with it. I used a different font for my date. I even typed in the week up here. You can see I even put a picture of a sun, put the degrees there, and you can add other pictures and emojis, that kind of thing. I forgot to show you one thing. Let me swipe. This is week 3 of my digital gratitude journal, and you can see I used the highlight button here, or actually used a highlighter to highlight that week, so I know which week I'm on. So if I wanted to go to week 2, let's go to that function. I can tap 2, and it'll take me to week 2, and you can see I highlighted it there. I can go to week 5, and there we are. And you can see I even typed and put that week 5 up there in that box. But of course, if I tap that, it's going to take me back to my vision board, which I called Manifest. There. Then there's a blank box down at the bottom there. And let me show you on the journal that you'll get. So that's blank, and you can see you can really customize this. And so if you'd like, I can send you some stickers that you can use. So here's one of the stickers that I put together. I kept some of my stickers in what's called elements, and that's another function of the Goodnotes app. And over here, I've created just a little habits form, little icon that I can put in here, just to keep track of my workouts and my reading, making sure that I'm checking off each day, what I'm working out, and what I'm reading, and making sure I'm reading every day. So that's just one of the stickers that I created, and I can certainly make one for you. Just leave me a comment and I will gladly respond and send you just a stickers page. I can always tap this or circle this and delete. There we go. That's pretty much it with all the functions of the gratitude journal. Very simple to use. So if you'd like to download this, just go to my website, johncottrell.com, go to the product section, find digital planners, and then you can get the 52-week digital gratitude journal. And you can see I've got other ones in that space. There's even a basic journal. If you're just starting out and want something very, very basic to use, you can download that for free. And if you happen to be a yoga instructor, you can download the yoga class planner, something I'm really proud of. So that's it. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave me a comment and I'll be sure to respond to you. And if you like what you saw here, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, you'll have access to my playlist here of my digital planning, as well as my 60-minute yoga classes, power yoga and soft flow. Until next time, see you on the yoga mat.